Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Mike.
And I'm Ari.
And we are the Hardcore Camping YouTube channel. We are here right now in the forest. It's about 1.5 feet of snow. 10 degrees right now, Fahrenheit. It's supposed to get into negative numbers. And we're gonna see if we can survive in the negative temperatures out here in the forest.
Making a circle here for the tent. Deep, snow is very deep. See where I'm standing? It's at least a foot, 1.5 feet. Very deep, very soft. The snow is very soft. So we hear the lake right across. So let's see what's gonna be next.
So while my dad is shoveling out a place where we're gonna put our tent, I'm gonna see if we can get some firewood going. Yeah, this snow is just very deep. It's fighting us every step of the way. It's at least 1 foot to 1.5 feet deep. Let's see if we can get any wood over here. There we go. Looks like a big tree. So this, it's a saw that I got from Agawa. Very, very good saw. And it assembles something like that. Very good saw. Okay, there we go. So as you can tell, the ground is frozen, and it's pretty hard to hit the stakes in when it's frozen. The stakes that come with this tent are not good at all, so you know, we went and we bought separately these stakes from Walmart. They're like a buck you can get them at, and they're pretty strong. So we're just gonna stake down all four sides of the tent, and then we're gonna put on a tarp over it. Okay, so what we have here is an Ozark Trails tent. We just staked down all the corners of the tent, and we are going to put a tarp around it for double insulation because it's supposed to get into negative numbers tonight. So we have another tarp that we're gonna put over it around the entire tent for that extra insulation. So what we're doing over here is we are covering up the tarp in snow, so that way the wind doesn't go under it. You can use stakes. We have some stakes that we can use to hit them in, but snow is a little more preferable. It's a little more airtight and keeps good insulation. So before I set up my mattress, I'm gonna put a blanket on the bottom. Keep like to get cold down a little bit. Even though you have little elevation off of the ground with the mattress, you're still gonna feel the cold coming from the floor. So it's always good to put like some blanket or something over it, just to give it that extra insulation, I guess. So this is the Intex Queen mattress. You can get this also from Walmart. Costs like about 10 bucks. And it basically fills it up pretty quickly. And we gotta wait. Should take about 5 minutes to fill up fully. Okay, so got a little problem over here, but it can be solved very easily. The mattress is basically frozen right now. It's freezing outside and it's very cold, so the mattress is not opening up all the way. So what we have here is a Mr. Buddy heater, and we have propane over here. We're gonna connect it, and then it should heat up the tent pretty quickly. Okay, so what we're doing now is we are going to set up our bed. It's one of the main things you do in the beginning. You set up your tent, you set up your bed. Okay, so here we have the sleeping bags. So these are the Ozark Trail 10-degree mummy bags. It's pretty warm. I used them before on campouts. Okay. Number one. Then we have. See, even with the door open, I can still feel the heat from the Buddy heater. That's because we put a second tarp that really gives the insulation. It keeps the tent very insulated, keeps all the heat inside. And from leaving, even though the door is open, we still have pretty good heat. And we have these pillows. That's one. That's two. Okay, so this is probably one of my favorite fire starters. You're gonna take your tinder. Leave your tinder right there. Take another strip. Try not to get it too much on the stove. I have over here some cotton balls and Vaseline. Takes a spark very well. So here I have a cotton ball and Vaseline, and over here you have a blast match. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the blast match and I'm gonna hit it in. Now you have a flame, put it under, and you gotta put that kindling. Now, when it's cold like this, you want to just keep piling it on. You want to just keep piling it up higher and higher. Just keep piling it up until it catches. So it took a couple of minutes, but after a little while the fire started going. The wood is all wet, so you're gonna have to wait before it's gonna actually light. It has to melt before it's gonna light. So what happened was, it's too cold outside. That the wood is frozen basically, and the fire is not igniting outside. So we had to come inside and cook on this. Luckily, we have this butane cooking stove over here, and we just cooked some burgers on it, and we have some hot dogs cooking right now. It's always good to have something just in case. Besides that, we have some good food cooking over here, and yeah.
The burgers are good, everything's good, let's start eating.
So we have, we're in our tent right now, and this water is ice. We're just gonna warm up some water, so we have, you know. But, yeah, it's freezing outside. It's freezing. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Can you guys can see that, right? Very strong fire over here. And yeah, in a couple of minutes it just start boiling, and we're just gonna sit back, relax a little bit, get some chips maybe, go into our sleeping bags, watch some videos on our phones, take it easy. Hey guys. So right now it's currently 3 o'clock in the morning. It's pretty cold. In my indoor-outdoor thermometer, I don't know if you can see it, I have -1 degrees, -1 in Fahrenheit, and in Celsius it is -18 out there. If you can see this, -18 degrees outside, which is crazy. It's pretty cold, but we are good in here. We got another buddy heater on because it's just that cold. And don't forget to always have your carbon monoxide detector always here. We have it out. We have proper ventilation in here, and yeah, so getting pretty warm, and we'll see you guys in the morning. Well, good morning, guys. It is pretty cold right now. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning. Right now, it's -1.5 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's about -18 degrees Celsius. That's pretty cold. It was a rough night, but we got through it, and we're gonna get up right now and get some breakfast going, and we'll see you guys later. Well, take a look, guys. I was packing up to leave, and this bottle over here, full of ice, it's frozen. It's full of ice. All the water turned into ice. It's very So that just shows you how cold it is. Well, guys, we decided not to make anything to eat because it's too cold outside. So we're just packing up and going. And would like to thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video.
See you guys.